This is for Year 10 Methods Pathways. We can look at exercise 1.5, question number 6. So we've got some inequality questions. So we can see that in the first question, we have an inequality stating that 2x plus 3 is greater or equal to 7. So we're testing like which of the possibilities actually follows that rule. Okay, so what I mean by that is, let's look at x equals 1, for example. If I substitute 1 for x, does that statement hold true? So for example, let's do it. We'll go 2 times 1, because x is 1 now, plus 3, is that greater or equal to 7? 2 times 1 is 2, plus 3 is 5. Is 5 greater or equal to 7? No, that's not true. 5 is not greater or equal to 7. What about 2.1? 2 times 2.1 plus 3 is greater or equal to 7. 2 times 2.1, it's double 2.1, so it's 4.2 plus 3 is greater or equal to 7. 4.2 plus 3 is 7.2 is greater or equal to 7. Yes, it's actually true. Okay, because 7.2 is greater or equal to 7. What about 3? 2 times 3 plus 3 is greater or equal to 7. Let's check if that's true. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 is greater or equal to 7, so that's true. And 5.2, I'm not going to go over 5.2 because we know that that's going to work as well, because 2 times 5.2 is 10.4 plus 3, 13.4, that is greater or equal to 7, so that's true. So the one that didn't work was A. Similarly, if we do 6b, we're doing the same process. So if I substitute x equals -5, let's see if it works. So 5 times -5 minus 2. Is that less than 9? Less than -9? So 5 times -5 is -25. -25, -2 is -27. Is that less than -9? Of course it is. Okay, because -27 is more negative. X equals 0. So if I sub in x equals 0, you get, that disappears. The 5x disappears, so you get -2 is less than -9. No. -2 is not less than -9, because -9 is more negative, so B would be your answer here. And you can test C and D, and you'll find that similar result, because if I substitute -2 in, 5 times -2 is -10, -10, -2 is -12, -12 is indeed less than -9, and similar for -3. So we'll do part C. Same thing here. If I substitute 10 in for x, so we'll get 11 minus 4 times 10. So 11 minus 40 is equal to -29. So -29 is indeed less than -1. That's correct. 11 minus 4 times 7. So 11 minus 28. 11 minus 28 is -17. Yes, that's true as well. That's less than -1. Let's try 4. 11 minus 4 times 4, 11 minus 16. Is that greater than -1? That's -5. Yep, that's true. What about 2? So 11 minus 4 times 2, minus 8, is equal to 3. Is 3 less than -1? No, that's not true. So my answer for 6C is D. So all the question's asking you is what numbers actually satisfy the inequality, and you just check by subbing it in and seeing the statement holds true. Hopefully that helps.